something.
Yeah, what you said is just the basic thing. Conjunctions are used for connecting, feelings, emotions, words,
Hmm.
phrase, as you said, phrases, clauses, and everything.
I think many men are working, and if you compare the like ratio of women and men working, many women are housewives, right? But a lot larger comparison, a lot larger ratio of men are working. So I think that when they get back home from their office, they don't really have any energy left to cook. That's why the women cook, and that has become like a tradition for ages and ages and ages.
What you said is the
Hello.
past. Hi, that's nice.
Hi, I'm really sorry. I was not able to join. I don't know, my audio was not connecting.
No, it happens, Arundhati, no problem, because technology can do that.
Yeah.
We can't help it. Okay. Yeah,
Mhm.
even I was wondering, and I was trying to connect through my phone, but then it because I just finished my session, it went off well. So I knew
Oh.
things were hunky dory on my side. So
Mm.
anyway, that's fine. So how are you?
I'm doing good, and especially today, I'm quite, very happy, extremely happy, because
That's
today, what happened was that there was a free webinar for makeup lessons, and my mom said that I should give it a try, and I
you should.
joined it, and I
Uh-huh.
enjoyed it. It was nice.
Very good. So why don't we talk about that? What did
Yes,
you
yeah.
learn?
Oh, so it was just like learning basic makeup on self, like how to do your makeup on yourself, basic makeup, and I
Self
did that.
grooming. Shall we give it another name? Self grooming.
Yeah, self grooming. Yes. And my mother was not at home at that time. It was just me alone trying to do all of that, trying to use my mom's makeup kit and all. And I don't know where she keeps all of her things. She's just so unorganized and keeping things at their place. It was so difficult for me to find out where is this, where is that, where is the brush, where is this eyeshadow. Oh my God, it was very tough.
Uh,
And moreover, I accidentally broke one of her lipsticks.
no, nothing wrong. It happens because since
Mm.
you're just a beginner to
Yeah,
use sticks, because within couple of years, you'll be a pro.
yeah, maybe.
We ladies, we have to be. We automatically we have a. I
Yeah.
do. I'm very interested in. As
Mm.
a young girl, I used to be very interested in all these things. It's quite natural. These are certain innate things within us,
Yeah.
girls.
Mhm.
That's nice. So, what did you learn today about makeup? How to put
So,
the base.
yeah, it was all that. And we learned about many techniques on how to blend and how to just apply makeup, like, tapping, in circular motion and
Circular
all of
movements,
that.
all of that. Uh-huh. Now it's
Mhm.
very much advanced. When we were
Yeah.
young, there wasn't anything much to do. All we had to do is, just with whatever we had to manage. And can you
Yeah.
believe during my college days, we didn't even have eyeshadows those days. It was not available.
Oh.
Because I was very active in the cultural activities in the school
Mm.
and college. And you know what we used to do college, when we used to go for group dancing and all those things, this is western dance, and we
Mm.
used lipstick as an eyeshadow. We didn't have a no way out.
Yeah.
That was lipstick did all the job. The rouge,
Mm.
the eyeshadow, everything was done by lipstick. But
Yeah.
I tell you, it was awesome.
Mm.
Nowadays we have so many, one here, and now you have the rouge here, the blusher.
Mm.
What
Yeah.
did they call it? What did they call it? The blusher,
Yeah, the blush.
the blush. Okay, and this is the eyeshadow, right?
Mm.
And there
Yeah.
is something called the highlighter. Is that?
Yeah, it's just some white stuff to make your skin look like it's glowing or something.
It's really nice. And there is that golden thing which is specially applied here to bring in that special glow, and on top
Mm.
of your eyebrows and all those things.
Yeah.
Hey, what about the mascara? That we can't forget.
Yeah. I looked for a mascara in my mom's cupboard in her makeup cupboard. But and when I found it, first of all, it was very difficult to find. It was just kept in some weird corner, and I never even thought that someone would put a mascara in just a top shelf's corner. Why would she put it there? And I found it. I was happy that I found it, but then I realized that it was all empty.
No, it doesn't have anything much. You just need that brush. It's
Yeah.
empty. You
Mm.
just have to roll your eyelashes with it.
Yeah, I tried to do that, but there was just no pigment in it. There was nothing. It was just so dry. Oh my God.
Yeah,
I wonder how old it was.
it happens with mascara because we don't use it so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we don't go and nowadays, now I am telling you, Arundhati, all these stuff are exorbitantly priced. Yes,
Mm.
do you agree with me? Have you got any
Yes.
idea? Oh God. Okay, now let's come to some of the brands. You know which is the
Okay.
leading brand in all these things? Any idea?
Yeah, there are a few famous brands like, Sephora, Lakme, and all of these things. I know a few names.
You are talking about, these are all normal,
Hmm.
the high-end ones. The top one is the Mac.
Yeah, Mac, yeah.
Then comes there are so many others too nowadays.
Mm.
Just popping up. They are L'Oreal brand. That's my favorite.
Yeah, L'Oreal is very nice.
L'Oreal is very nice. Then in India, I used to buy Revlon,
Yeah, Revlon.
and even Lakme is not bad at all.
Mm.
I would say no, they are reasonable and light on your pocket compared to the other
Yeah.
brands. Yeah,
Mm.
and they are quite good too. Not bad at all. And nowadays, have you heard about these nail polishes which stay for a month?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it doesn't go off for
Wow,
almost a
that's
month.
amazing.
Yeah, I have a set, Revlon, beautiful ones. It just stays. Otherwise, the second day it will start peeling off from the sides and it looks
Yeah.
off. And then you'll have to go for the remover. Then you have to use it. Then to maintain all those things. This
Mm.
you just apply and it stays with you for quite some time. A good friend of yours.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, of course. So that's very nice. And Arundhati, I think we'll just brush through the topic. Yeah.
Yeah, but the topic, I didn't
You
really
want to?
like the topic.
Okay, then leave it. I'm not bothered. Let's just leave it. Because this seems to be quite interesting. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Arundhati, among your friends, let me just discuss about it. Are there many who are already into all these makeup and yeah, uh, among your friends? Because now you're in eighth, right?
Ninth now.
Ninth, yeah, but because some girls, some not only girls nowadays, you don't say girl and boy and all those things. Gender, I think gender differentiation we should put it on the back burner. It shouldn't
Yeah.
come because among the fashion, when we watch this fashion TV and all, we realize the main makeup it's the guys,
Mm.
and they do such an awesome job.
Yeah.
And even see, I'm a dancer. I mean, you would have read in my profile, right? So I
Mm.
do perform once in a while, and it's the guys who put the makeup. And simply superb, picture
Yeah.
perfect. That's it. So makeup, it's an art. What is your?
Yeah.
It's
It's
an art.
definitely an art.
It's a beautiful art, and when the passion is there, they learn it, and they just what to say, they showcase it, and they're very proud nowadays. Men are very proud to
Mm.
show their talent. What about the chefs? Why are we leaving them? We leaving them in the backdrop. What about them? I feel the top chefs all over the world. It first comes men,
Mm.
but at home, Indian homes, men hardly cook.
Yeah.
Why? What is your take on it, Arundhati? Now, when we see all these, there are these shows, right? Cookery shows. Do you watch?
Yeah. Not really. And
Really?
yesterday, I just watched a movie about cooking. Can you guess which movie it was?
About cooking.
Yes.
English movie?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Arundhati, I'm not.
It
If
it was Ratatouille. Have you heard about this movie?
no, I haven't.
Oh,
Oh,
it's a nice movie. It's about a rat cooking food.
oh, is it a like it's a real movie or a cartoon movie?
No, it's an animated movie. It's like
Animated,
fantasy.
yes, animated. That's what I was trying to ask. Yeah,
Yeah.
good, good, good. A good idea. Good, you
Mm.
enjoy. No, but there are awesome shows.
Yeah.
The Australian, because my daughter, especially my elder daughter, she's really crazy about it. She sits
Mm.
and watches patiently. So sometimes I give company. That's when I get to know all these things.
Mm.
Awesome. And there, the men, too good. And
Mm.
even the judges, it's the men.
Yeah.
But and why Indian men don't cook? Come, let's have a debate. A small debate just for the fun of it.
Hmm.
When world over, men can be the best chefs.
Yeah.
Why don't they do it at home?
Hmm.
So
Maybe they're
we
lazy.
cannot say that men are not good enough to cook because now it's been proved they're doing a great job.
Yeah.
But they are taking steps back at home. Is it right? No.
Hmm. I think many men are working, and if you compare the like ratio of women and men working, many women are housewives, right? But a lot larger comparison, a lot larger ratio of men are working. So I think that when they get back home from their office, they don't really have any energy left to cook. That's why the women cook, and that has become like a tradition for ages and ages and ages.
What you said is the past.
Hmm.
Correct. Because it was the norm, I should say, that
Yeah.
women should take care of the house and the kids and, all those things. But men, they took care of the family,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. They were the breadwinners.
Hmm.
That's how it used to be. That's how it was 100 years back, what you're
Yeah.
talking. But now, over the last 20, ever since there has been this IT boom, things have changed
Hmm. A little bit.
a lot because now, both men and women work.
Hmm.
Everybody works. I mean, it's not like you work, I work. No,
Hmm.
both. Now that's the norm nowadays.
Yeah.
Ladies sit back. So in such a situation, and I'm telling you, things have changed.
Yeah.
Very proud to say my son-in-law is an awesome cook.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he does an awesome job. For him, it's a passion too.
Hmm. That's great.
Yeah, when we are around, he'll tell, Amma, today you take rest. I'll take over the kitchen. And I'll just go watch a movie or whatever it is. Haha, have some relaxed time. And
Wow.
that's, yeah, nowadays boys have changed a lot. They do give a
Hmm.
helping hand and they do take up the upper hand, at times to take, I
Hmm.
mean, to do help. It is happening, the change is happening. Okay, but we cannot do anything with the old buddies. Very sorry.
Yeah.
We just put up with them because that was how things were when
Hmm.
they were there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Arundhati, to wrap up, what shall we discuss?
Hmm. What shall we discuss about?
What about conjunctions? What
Sure.
is- Yeah. So, what are conjunctions?
Conjunctions are joining words that join to like sentences, or a phrase or a clause or something.
Yeah, what you said is just the basic thing. Conjunctions are used for connecting, feelings, emotions, words,
Hmm.
phrase, as you said, phrases, clauses, and everything. And conjunctions are very important to make a list.
Yeah.
How is it important? I went to the shop to
Hmm.
buy sugar, coffee, tea, and some vegetables.
Hmm.
Yes? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very important to make list as well.
Hmm.
And can you name few commonly used conjunctions?
Um, I think the main ones are fanboys and
Fanboys. Yes,
yeah.
fanboys.
Hmm.
The main ones are the fanboys. They are
Yeah.
the coordinating conjunctions, right?
Yes.
And
Coordinating.
they usually join clauses.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yes, clauses means a complete sentence.
Hmm.
That's where these fanboys are used.
Hmm.
Both the
Okay.
when a fanboy, one of these fanboys, when they connect, because we don't have time to discuss at length next time,
Hmm.
both will be able to stand independently.
Okay.
They connect only such coordinating. And with the other conjunctions, they are called the subordinating conjunctions, where one will be a subordinative clause.
Okay.
Okay, you get it? So can
Yes.
you just give me an example of a coordinating conjunction where you use and
Hmm.
or anything? Just
I
give it.
went I went to the market and bought some vegetables.
Correct. I went to the market. It's a complete sentence. Yes, I went to the market.
Hmm.
I bought vegetables. That's also complete.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Now you got it. So fan
Yes.
verbs are used where two sentences stand independently.
Hmm. Okay.
Two words, bread and butter, and bread and butter. Two
Hmm.
words. Yeah, it's used
Yes.
for connecting two words as well. So you can
Hmm.
dig on this, and next time we'll discuss subordinating conjunctions, where
Yeah,
that
we
is,
can go for that.
we can go for that also. Okay. So very nice, Arundhati. I don't have anything to tell you. Continue your journey. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So wish you all the best.